Hey there, and welcome to Canvify. Thanks for installing the app. Let's quickly walk through how you can turn a Canva design into a live Shopify page with the Canvify app. First, head over to Canva. Start by creating a website design. You can begin with an empty canvas or choose from one of Canva's ready-made website templates. Now that my design is open, I can start designing my Shopify page. For now, I want to use one of Canva's suggested website templates. Let's use this one and apply all its sections to our current design. Feel free to make a few quick edits, like change text, swap images, tweak sections, whatever fits your brand. Now publish the design as a website. You will find the Publish button here, otherwise you can see it when you click on the Share button. Oh, one thing you should remember if you're publishing a website for the first time. When you publish your first website, Canva asks you to give your website a unique name. You can also add a custom domain, but do not add your domain here. Your domain will be added in Shopify, so don't accidentally connect it to Canva. Just give your Canva website a name. It doesn't matter what name you give, it just has to be unique. You will only have to do it the very first time. Now back to the tutorial. When publishing, select your website URL and make sure the setting for mobile responsive is turned on. Now let's publish. Once published, Canva will generate a public link for your design. Copy this link, we'll need it next. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. Open the Canvify app and click Import New Page. Paste your Canva website link here and give the page a title. Don't worry about these two options here for now. Leave them unchecked. Now let's import our design in Shopify. Once the import is complete, you can open the page to preview it. As you can see, the design is now fully live inside Shopify. This page has its own Shopify URL. You can use this URL anywhere on your store to add a link to this page. What if you want to add this design to your existing pages like Homepage, Collections page, or About Us, etc.? You can do one last step. Let's go to the Shopify theme editor. Open your home page or any other page where you want to place the design. Add a new section and choose Canvify page from the list. Search for the page you just imported. Select it and instantly that Canva design becomes part of your Shopify page. This also means you can import specific sections from Canva and mix them with your existing Shopify content. What can you do next? You can add imported Canvify pages to your navigation bar, improve your Canva designs, or add Buy Now or Add to Cart buttons. We've covered all of this in our other tutorials, so be sure to check them out. If you run into any issues or have questions, our support team is always here to help with fast, real-time assistance. Thanks for using Canvify and happy building!